Hi friend, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Today we're gonna take the 2-week-old bunnies out for a play day. Let's go!
Gosh, how do you catch them when they're so bouncy? Oh, hold on. I gotta put this in here. Oh, oh my gosh. Show me his face. Oh, look at that poor little thing. Oh my gosh. Look at the ears. Okay.
He's just falling asleep. Maybe not once a couple.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Hi, baby. Hi, you look like your mama. Oh, are you gonna be able to catch them all, or are they gonna run away? Oh, look at that one. How cute is that dolly? Oh, whoa! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh shoot, Jill! We should have brought the 5-gallon bucket.
Don't.
Okay, they're calm. Lordy. You can take that lid all the way off if you want. Oh, that one's trying to jump out of the bowl. Okay, next time. Oh, we lost one behind you.
He's not gonna be able to like get very.
Let's go get a bucket. Oh shoot. Okay, we have a bucket now. Show me the little face. How cute.
Get in your pile.
Right? You won't jump out of there.
Callie.
Callie, stay in your hutch. Who's next? Oh my gosh, they're so squirmy.
This one is.
Lordy. Hi, cutie. Oh. This is a true bucket of bunnies. You just put them on top of each other. How many is that now? There's so many. Oh.
This one's fluffy.
Stop. Whoa, 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 chill. Oh. Oh my gosh. That face. Oh, Lordy. Oh my gosh. She's jumping all over. Calm down, calm down. Whoa.
There's 2 more.
That one's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Hi, cutie. Oh. Whoa. Craziness.
Callie.
Right?
Oh, oh wow. Took on the last one being taken.
Oh. That one looks like mama too. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on?
I'm trying to get the grass off.
Oh. Oh. So cute. Okay. Should we take them inside for playtime? Dude, get away from the edge of the bed. Oh my gosh.
Off.
Uh-oh. I didn't hear a thud. It just disappeared. Look, they all freeze at the same time.
I think I have like the most picture of this one.
It's sniffing me.
Look at that.
That guy, is he gonna come back? What's he doing? Bring him back over here. He doesn't even know his siblings are over here. Oh my gosh, you're gonna fall off. What is wrong with that one? He has no sense. Go on. There we
I
go.
think this one likes me.
Hi, cute bunny.
Look, this one totally likes me.
Oh, well, you should keep that one.
This on. Stay over here. There's so many.
They're gonna go on a trek. Oh shoot! Disaster averted. Lordy, they're getting brave.
Look, this one likes me so much.
He could be your new friend. Sleep in your bed.
This one's so cute. Stop going over there.
Oh my gosh, that was a little hop. Now they're gonna expect this every day. Get to come inside and no, you can't jump down there. Hey, Peter Rabbit.
Look, they're going into my lap.
Hi, it's warm over there. Of course, this whole room is warm. Maybe that's why they feel like they can run around so much. It's so warm in here.
Yeah, they're just snuggling up over there.
Oh, are they still over there? Uh-oh.
Okay, fine, they can go over there. Okay.
You changed your mind. No. Bring him way over here. Did he go from here? Or...
Yeah, these are the ones that it's the same too. They keep doing it.
Stay with your siblings.
Stop. Look.
So that one's gonna be trouble. That black and white one.
Wait, that's the one that escaped, isn't it? Or is it?
Oh, I don't remember. Which
I
one
think
was
it's
it?
that one because it's like the first one in the bucket.
Oh. Oh my
Look,
gosh.
this one likes me so much.
Telling you, that one could be a house bunny. You watch yourself, bunny. Don't fall off. Hi, cute bunny. There goes the adventurer.
All the pictures are blurry. These are all moving around too much.
Where are you going? Where are you going, buddy?
Look at this picture.
Oh my gosh, those ears.
Did she fall?
Oh, is that what that noise was? Hi, cute bunnies. Oh, stretching bunny. You stretching out?
Doing the hop.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't you dare. Look at this one. Jump off. Naughty. Oh,
They're all going to sleep.
are they? Are they finally laying down? Oh my gosh. That one does love you. Oh my gosh. It's closing its eyes.
Okay, I want to put her on the lap. They can settle in here.
Yeah, they're getting tired. Are they gonna stay? Oh, some of them are staying.
This one's already sleeping.
This one never gets tired. Oh, it jumped. Oh.
Look, it just squeezed in. It's like,
Oh, pile of bunnies. Everybody needs a lap full of bunnies. Oh, that one's like, oh, I'll go to sleep too. Oh, are they all gonna climb up in your lap? They're thinking about it. They're gonna climb up. Oh my gosh.
Oh, is it normally time that they eat?
No, they eat at night.
It smells like sucky.
I mean, they probably won't turn out a meal if it was offered, but. Excuse me.
Slowly all making their way.
Oh, they all go. That's too funny. I didn't think they'd be so adventurous. I really thought they'd stick together more. Yeah, mm-hmm. Oh. 2 more left. And not even the craziest 2. Aren't you guys getting tired? Oh, those are the last ones. Oh, you're the bunny whisperer. Oh my gosh, Jill. Everybody's asleep. Look at this one. I feel like that's not a comfortable. Oh, funny. It's all crook-necked over there. Oh, this guy was grooming his brother. I thought that was cute. Or sister. Oh my gosh. Aw, fresh new bed. Well, the big bunnies are checking it out. What are you doing?
Okay, I thought these
Right.
these were gone.
Oh, don't let her out. Don't let Kitty out.
Kitty's so big.
Push her back. She can't get out.
How is she so big?
Right? Jill!
She's not gonna escape.
There.
She's stepping all over him.
There's no mercy in the bunny hole. Right? Callie thought her job was done here. Oh, that's Kitty again.
Kitty, get
Kitty.
out of here.
Nope. Ah!
Last one.
Oh.
Oh, they're going out there.
Oh no! Oh
They're a lot more adventurous now.
no! Right?
Well, we had a good time playing with the bunnies today. And if you watch the short that I just posted, you'll see that they really didn't stay in bed. Anyway, if you like what you saw, you can subscribe right there. You can watch more bunny videos right there. Thanks for joining us. Bye.